everybody, this is Kathy. How are you today? Today is Tuesday, the 14th of January. So here's the deal. I think I'm going to attempt to go to Tuesday morning for the first time ever. I have been watching all my YouTube friends, Tony from Creative Chica Halls, Christina from Christina in Michigan, and they all go to Tuesday morning. And they get the cutest chipboards. Also Gina from Gina Loves to Craft. So I need to find a Tuesday morning around me, and I don't want to buy anything for like home decor or anything like that. I just want to go see the paper that they have, if they have any chipboards for my Memdex cards for Valentine's Day that I'm making and stuff like that. So anyway, it's about a half hour, I think, or 45 minutes from where I am right now. So I hope the drive is worth it. Okay, guys? So I will tell you, I might record some images while I'm there. I'm not sure. I have never been in that store, and today is my first time. So we'll see how it goes, and you will hear more about it later. Okay, guys? And right now I'm gonna stop at the bank first. My oldest son, Adolfo, he is on vacations in Florida. He's in Cocoa Beach doing some surfing. Poor thing, he sent me a picture last night, a text, and he says he's having a blast. He's having a lot of fun, and the temperature yesterday was like 80 degrees, I think I saw in the weather, and so he's having a blast. He says he's super tanned, and but he got a surfer's rush, and he's never done surfing before, so he has this rash all over his chest and his armpit. So I don't know how bad that is today. I have to send him a text and see how he's doing, but I know that he's doing great. He's having a lot of fun. He's there with his father, so I think he's coming back either Friday or Saturday, and his birthday is on Sunday, so he's gonna be 19 on Sunday. So he's having a blast, and that's cool. I miss him, but he's okay. He's good. So anyway, guys, I gotta go to the bank to send him money. That's what I was saying. He texted me and he says, I need money, but I have to go to the bank in person because the bank that he has his account is different. So anyway, I'm gonna do that first, and then I'm gonna head to Tuesday morning, guys. Okay, so I will talk to you soon. And I have Augustine with me in the car right now. Hi. He's sitting in the back. Say hi.
Hi.
You can only hear him because he's sitting in the back. Okay, guys, so you might see him in the images from later. Okay, so I'll talk to you. Bye, guys. Thank you for coming along with me.
Always stay happy and rise. Bye.
Always stay happy, he says. Oh, and the weather here is not too bad today. That's why I have this lightweight coat. It's a pink. I wanted to wear my pink shoes, but then I decided not to because I wanted to go out quickly and I couldn't find them that easily. So anyway, I didn't want to look through all my boxes. Next time I wear them. They're flat pink boots. I'll show them to you next time. Today I'm just wearing my comfy Ugg boots for the cold weather here in upstate New York. But right now it's 44 degrees, so it's not too bad out. It's kind of comfortable, with this light coat and just a shirt underneath. Okay, guys, I'll see you soon. Don't go anywhere. I'll be back. Bye-bye.
I'll see you. Always stay happy and rise. Bye.
Guys, we are almost at the bank. We're going to Bank of America. And this is how the sky looks like here in upstate New York today on Tuesday the 14th. You can see the school buses. Kids are getting out of the school. It's around 3:30 p.m. So there's a lot of movement, but not as much as when it's later. It's gonna get worse in about a half hour, 45 minutes, when people start getting out of work. But it's kind of gloomy, but it's not cold. So I'm at the intersection here, and it turned green, but I need to turn left, so I have to wait for my arrow or see that nobody else is coming. So nobody else is coming, so now I can go. Okay, so I'm almost at the bank. It's right here. This area, this is Clifton Park. This is the name of the town, and there's a lot of stores here, a lot of plazas. So I'm gonna turn right because that's where Bank of America is. But if I turn left, it's where I go for like Dollar Tree and Market 32, which is the supermarket that I go do my grocery shopping. So this intersection is super busy. This is 146. It's the street, and you can see right there by the traffic light, it says 87 South. That's the interstate. That's the highway where I'm gonna get into to go to Tuesday morning, because that's in Albany, and Albany is about a half hour from here. And I don't know how I don't know where I'm going, so I'm gonna put the GPS on when I go to Tuesday morning. So that's how it looks here today, guys, and I think I can go now. Okay, so I'll talk to you in a little bit because I gotta go to the bank now. I'm pulling into the bank parking lot, and if you guys go to Bank of America, they close at 4 p.m. so I have to hurry up. I'm gonna go through the drive-through. I don't want to go in because I have Augustine with me and I don't want to take him out of the car, so I'm gonna wait here. I'm gonna talk to the teller. Okay guys, so I will see you soon. Bye bye. Okay guys, so we are heading to Albany, and we're on the 87. This is the highway here where I live, and there aren't many cars going south. Most of them are going the other direction. They're going north, which is the way that I have to go when I go back home. So I'm gonna change lines here because I'm gonna have to, I think I'm gonna have to go the way I go when I go to the big mall here, which is Crossgates Mall. Yeah, and this is kind of near Crossgates Mall, so I don't think I'm gonna stop at the mall today. I have to, it's kind of late, it's already 4 p.m. so I'm just gonna go to Tuesday morning, and then I'm gonna go home for dinner. So my husband is already home. He gets home at 4 p.m. every day. So I need to go cook something for dinner, or maybe eat leftovers from yesterday. I don't know. So, can you see how the sky looks? Because it's getting darker, so sun is coming down. Anyway guys, so we're almost at Tuesday morning. I will check back with you in a few minutes when we are in the parking lot, probably. Okay, I'll be back. You guys, I made it. So look, there is a Michael's in this parking lot too, and Ollie's Outlet. I don't know what that is. I've never been to that store. I'm gonna have to come back another day, earlier in the day. But look, can you see that? It says Tuesday morning. So I'm gonna find a parking lot, a parking space here in the parking lot where I can park and head inside and see what can I find. So here we are right outside Tuesday morning. You guys, there's no parking. It's kind of busy in here. I bet Tuesday morning is crowded. There is a space here. I'm gonna park. I'm gonna park over here. Okay guys, so I'm already parked and we're gonna go in. So I'll be back. Agustin, stop.
Look at the Hey Ducky toy.
Okay, in a sec.
I can hold anything to push. I can hold anything to push. I'll hold this to push. I can't hold it. Yeah.
Agustin, 1 second.
Mommy, I'm stuck. Oh, I got the Hey Ducky thing over there. The Hey Ducky thing. I want to look at the Hey Ducky toy.
You guys, I'm going home. It's 5:30 and I just left Tuesday morning. I got some chipboards and ephemera pieces and I'm gonna show you that later, okay guys, when I get home. So I'll see you then. Bye bye.